All right, welcome back to another video here. If you are coming from the first video, I appreciate you following up. If you haven't seen it, I will try and have it in a card. This corner. Yeah, up in this corner, right? Well, okay, I've never done this before. I'm committing to this corner. It'll be up in this corner. And you can get caught up. Basically, a rundown of it is I painted my grill black, and then I got this chrome and this chrome blacked out. So if that interests you in watching it to kind of bring this video whole circle, go ahead and check that out. I would greatly appreciate it. But I would just like to address some things from that video, and that's that one, the audio was kind of bad. So I got this vlogging kit, and it came with this really cheap microphone, and at first when I addressed the issue, I thought it was just not plugged in all the way, but it was clipping because of the wind. I just finished editing it, and I realized that whenever there was wind, it would just kind of clip or cut out completely. So I could see if that video was unenjoyable because of that. So for this one, and until I get an actual microphone, I'm just running no mic. It's just my phone camera. And so there's that. And then I also realized that I was holding the camera too far down like this, and I was my face was in no scene whenever I had the camera on me. So I'm gonna try and do a little bit better at that. I've kind of tilted it back some. So with that out of the way, I'd just like to get into the video. So we're obviously going to be deleting all of this chrome here. I don't think we're gonna do the handles at all. If not, if we are, just not today. But we got to do that, and then that down there. And the reason why I say we're not doing the handles today is just because it seems a lot harder than it looks, especially for me, since literally wrapping the chrome on my car was the first thing I've ever wrapped. So I'll either save it for another day, or if I like how it just gives it that tiny bit of pop on the side, I don't know, I might just leave it. But without further ado, I'm just gonna kind of set you guys up on the tripod and time lapse me working, because there's not really much to say about it. But if I do have something to say, I'll come back and get you guys. This is kind of how everything turned out. It turned out much better than the other side. I'm way more happy with these results than the other side. So we got it all tucked in there and there. But the main thing I wanted to tell you is that I once again did not think about how much wrap I was going to need, and I didn't think about the fact that this is 15 feet worth of wrap, and I still have to do that, the trunk, and then the other side. So I don't know if you guys caught it in the time lapse, but I went and I held the wrap up to this here, and I realized that I did not have enough but I'm thinking that since it's here to here, if I leave myself enough wrap, if I leave myself enough on the bottom, I can use the one piece, cut it in half, cut it in half, and then manage to get this side and the other side wrapped up. So I'm gonna go ahead, see if I can manage to get that done, because this is so thin it might actually just work. So best case scenario, I get this and the other side wrapped. Worst case is I get this side wrapped and the other side will stay unwrapped along with the trunk, and this is going to be unwrapped regardless. So I'll set you guys back up and get going again. Hey, what's up guys? For you it's just been a scene change. For me it's been a couple of days. That time lapse was taken Wednesday afternoon and it's now Saturday afternoon. So it's been about half a week. But before I'm out of sunlight here, I just wanted to conclude this video. So I know the last thing in the time lapse was me wrapping this trim down here and cutting the vinyl wrap in half before I started. Seemed to work out way better than what I was thinking of doing. I was thinking of wrapping the one side and then cutting the trim, or I mean the excess off and then bringing it over here. But I just kind of like thought about why that's kind of stupid. So I cut the wrap in half before I used it, slapped it on there, got that on good, and then I had to leave for work. So I've just been super busy up until now. So, the trunk piece here, I do plan on getting just a square sheet, cutting off the top, wrapping that, and then using the rest to try and get these, the door handle. I know I said in one clip that I don't know if I want to, but after thinking about it a couple of days, I want to go ahead and get those blacked out as well. So I'm going to show you how the car sits, all blacked out. So there we are. Get a little side. So I think it looks way better than the chrome. I know I wasn't 100% sure if I was going to like it, but it looks way better. It looks it looks a lot more sleek in my opinion. So yeah, I think that's all I need to say to conclude this video. If there's something I'm missing out, then I'm dumb. But if you guys are enjoying the journey so far, I hope you would consider to subscribe. You'll enjoy the content in this video, give it a like, all the good stuff. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Peace. Alright, just real quick before I end this video, I had a thought during the week that I want to end all of my videos with like a cinematic edit, like I did with the first video and like I plan on doing with this one. So do me a favor and down in the comment sections, let me know like what you think about that. Do you think it'd get too repetitive to have a cinematic edit at the end of every video, or just like do it every now and then, or like just give me your opinion on that. Because I would like to do it, but if it's not good content for you guys, then maybe I'll just do them in my free time or something. So let me know your opinion on that. And now it's goodbye. Now it's peace out. Catch you in the next one.